first official looking sign. Federal Correctional Institution. Couple more signs. No cameras. There's no cameras right there. But they mean for past that sign inside the building.
How's it going?
Hey, good. How are you?
What's going on?
Oh, just filming.
What are you filming?
The Federal Correctional Institution.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just I've never been here, but I've seen it before.
Who are you affiliated with?
I'm not affiliated, just by myself.
Okay, just doing videos?
Just doing videos, man.
Okay.
Cool.
You can be on the road, you just can't go inside.
Yeah, I got it. You work here?
I do.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, got contact pretty early on. I'm now off the road on a patch of stuff. She's complaining. That lady just complained about me. To the guard right there. Little tattletale. He's filming. He's filming me. Should've just minded your business. Look at her. Oh, look at that response. And they're just watching over here. I can. I'm on a public road, sir. Not trying to cause problems, but I'm allowed to be here. Public road. This is a public road. This is a public road. I can be here. I'm standing on a public easement. On the public easement. Yeah, on the public road. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, code red situation.
Sir, I'm going to have you know that you are on federal property. This is not public property. This is not private property. This is federal property.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, and you're not allowed to videotape any operations that go on here.
Okay.
It is a serious security violation.
Gotcha.
I need to ask you to turn the recorder off.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Okay, well, you're gonna be arrested then.
Okay, do what you gotta do, man. So guys, I'm standing clearly on the public road. Clearly. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Hey, I'm over here at Lompoc on a public road next to the Federal Corrections Complex, and they're threatening me with arrest. If you don't hear from me, just know this is my last place, alright? If you don't hear from me, just know that this was my last place that I was. I was on a public road next to the Lompoc Correctional Complex, Federal Correctional Facility. This guy threatened me with arrest. No cops have showed up, but I just wanted to get the word out just in case, they like detain me and no one hears from me. Alright? Alright, man. Later. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep going. Got someone here.
Need help, sir?
I don't.
Can I ask what you're doing?
Recording?
I'd ask that you not record me.
You can ask.
You realize you're trespassing.
On a public road?
It's posted out here, you can't film.
Well, I'm on a public road. This is a public area. Anything I can see from the public, I can record.
Are you media?
Yep.
Who do you work with?
I'm not going to tell you that, sir.
You're not going to stop filming?
Nope.
Okay.
Have a good day. Alright, now I'm leaving. I'll see you guys. Have a good day, okay? Looks like we got police. Cop's still sitting there. Maybe he knows what's up. I'm not going to speak too soon. He might try to throw me in cuffs or something, but yeah, maybe he educated that guy. I don't know.
God, dude, this guy made my butt hurt so bad.
Yeah, the police are gone. They are no longer parked there. They must have flipped a bitch and turned around. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here because I'm freaking hungry. This was the Federal Correctional Complex.